Okay, Wyndham Bonnet Creek, 3-bedroom deluxe tour. This is standing at the front door. When you turn to the right, you have the dining room table. Kitchen with everything you need. It has all your cutlery, your cloths, your knives, coffee maker, blender, toaster. We brought our water. They did bring a pitcher though. Let's show you everything that comes with it. All your plates, all your bowls. You don't need anything. What else do they bring to cook with? Pots and pans, pretty much everything. All your cleaning stuff. We brought our own coffee, but at least they gave us enough filters to get through. A sink and a dishwasher. So this is the main seating area. Here is the television. We are in tower number 2. So we look over the golf course. We're on the 7th floor. So right across there is where you would check in. Here's the pool we like to use with the water slide. There's the restaurant. If you look at that pirate ship, that's the hotel. Here we go. Oh, I lied. That's the lobby over there. Then, if you come into the main bedroom, this one has its own bed, television, alarm clock, closet. Let me see how big the safe is. Still the same luggage rack. Here it has the jacuzzi tub. Separate sink outside and one in the bathroom, which is nice if one person has to get ready. A makeup mirror. And then here, is a nice shower. Ooh, this is new. They give you some scope. And they have all the shower amenities, toilet. And the new feature they have is you can scan something, but also they had a scan for menus if you order ahead. And new this year also is this as a room key if you're a timeshare member. Now we're going to go on to the 1 bedroom. I'll wait to do that. So this, huge closet with cleaning stuff and recycling. I didn't even know that was there. This is the laundry. Washer and dryer. This bathroom here, you have the sink outside the bathroom, which is nice. Then you have a bathtub, another sink inside. And toilet here. Here's bedroom number 2. With the 2 beds. Television. A nice view. And then the final bedroom, which I'm pretty sure my mother is still in, is this one. So you have this bed,